So hello there, welcome to back our YouTube channel. So right now I am going to the bank. I am going to deposit money and from bank I will go to Malda. So this trip I want to show you. So keep on watching the video. So let's go. As you can see, I am standing in the stand. This is Komlawadi stand. As you can see, here are available lots of Toto. I want to take a Toto to go to Malda from here, so that's why I am standing here. So let's go to take a Toto because by the Toto I will go to Malda. I need to take a Toto, so let's go. As you can see, I have already taken a Toto. I am in a Toto right now. As you can see, cars are crossing from both sides. So see the view. This is winter season, that's why all around there is fog. In this fog we can't see properly. As you can see, I am sitting in the Toto and Toto driver is driving the Toto very fast. As you can see, from both sides cars are crossing. So as you can see, I am crossing the temple of Hentakali. This is the Hentakali stand, and now I am crossing the Hentakali stand, as you can see. So just now already I have reached Malda. This is Malda Rodbari stand, as you can see all around. This is Rodbari stand of Malda, as you can see, and look all around. As you can see, I have already reached the electric bill deposit office. So electric bill I want to deposit, that's why I am in the queue right now. As you can see, I want to deposit the electric bill, that's why I am in the queue, and the officer is taking our bill. So already I have paid the electric bill, so I want to go home. Let's go.